Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
SWOT Strategies for launching a new product. A detailed guide for understanding how companies use SWOT analysis to create strategies when introducing a new product. Launching a new product involves risks and opportunities. To make smart decisions, businesses use SWOT analysis, a tool that helps them understand their situation clearly. After analyzing the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, they develop SWOT strategies. Below is a detailed breakdown of each SWOT-based strategy. 1. SO Strategies. Strengths, Opportunities, Strategies. Meaning, use the company's strengths to take advantage of opportunities in the market. Purpose, to achieve fast growth, competitive advantage, and high customer acceptance. Examples. A company with strong research and development R&D uses its expertise to create a product that meets a rising market trend, e.g., eco-friendly packaging. A brand with a loyal customer base launches a new product by offering exclusive early access or discounts. Why this matters? It helps the company maximize its advantage by acting on opportunities while they are still in demand. 2. WO Strategies. Weaknesses, Opportunities, Strategies. Meaning, use market opportunities to address or reduce the company's weaknesses. Purpose, to improve internal capabilities while entering a promising market. Examples. A small business lacking brand recognition collaborates with influencers during the launch to reach a wider audience. A company weak in technology takes advantage of a government grant for digital innovation to improve its processes before launching the product. Why this matters? The product can enter the market successfully while the company becomes stronger in the process. 3. SD Strategies. Strength, Threat, Strategies. Meaning, use strengths to protect the product from external threats. Purpose, to prevent competitors, market changes, or economic issues from harming the product launch. Examples. A company with strong financial resources invests heavily in product quality and marketing to stand out against aggressive competitors. A brand with advanced technology uses patents or unique features to prevent imitation. Why this matters? The company uses what it already does well to reduce risks. 4. WT Strategies. Weaknesses, Threats, Strategies. Meaning, minimize weaknesses and avoid threats to survive or limit risks. Purpose, to protect the business when both internal weaknesses and external threats are significant. Examples. A company with limited budget and strong competition delays the launch to improve the product first. A business lacking marketing skills avoids high-risk markets and focuses on safer, small-scale product introductions. Why this matters? It reduces the chances of product failure by being careful and strategic. Putting it all together, example scenario. Company Fresh Sip Drinks. New product, low-sugar fruit juice. SWOT Summary. Strengths, strong distribution network. Weaknesses, weak online presence. Opportunities, growing demand for healthy drinks. Threats, many cheaper competitor brands. Possible SWOT strategies. SO strategy, use its strong distribution network to place the product in major supermarkets where demand for healthy drinks is rising. WO strategy, improve its online presence by launching a social media campaign to attract health-conscious consumers. Sense strategy, highlight quality and nutrition in marketing to compete with low-priced brands. WT strategy, start with small batch production to avoid financial losses if competition becomes too strong. Summary, easy to remember. Strategy type SO, main idea, use strengths plus seize opportunities, goal, grow fast. Strategy type WO, main idea, fix weaknesses using opportunities, goal, improve and launch well. Strategy type SD, main idea, use strengths to fight threats, goal, protect the product. Strategy type WT main idea, reduce weaknesses plus avoid threats, goal, minimize risks.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.